What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you where the spare tire, the jack, and the tools you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a Ford Expedition. This is a 2020 Expedition here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So our spare tire is going to be located in the rear of the vehicle, but there's a few things we need to grab before we can do that, before we can lower it. We need to start in the back, and we need to open this little hatch, flip it up once, and we'll flip it up again. Now, if we take a look at the right-hand side here, this is going to be a tool pouch we need to remove, and this is strapped to the jack. There's just these two straps holding it on. Set that to the side. To remove the jack, we'll just spin this little wing nut all the way to the left, or counterclockwise. Once you get that all the way loosened up, you can pull this piece out, and then we need to lower the jack just a little bit. If you just grab the end here with your hand and turn it counterclockwise just a little bit, that allows the jack to come out. Now, if we take a look at this tool pouch that we removed, there's going to be our lug nut wrench in here. This is the handle for the jack, and then we have the tool we'll need here to lower the spare tire. So you want to grab this wrench and unfold it like this, and take note because the shorter end has a square end on it like that. So we take a look right here. There's this little access panel that we need to lift and remove. And there's this little plug that just kind of pulls out of there. And if you take a look in there, you'll see that's where that square end I was talking about is going to fit in. So we'll take the wrench, square end in here, and then we're going to spin this to the left or counterclockwise. And as we're doing that, it's going to be lowering the tire. So you want to keep going, you'll feel it hit the ground, give yourself just a little more slack. As it does. Let's take a look. All right, so now let's take a closer look at this tire, how to get that out. What we want to do is pick the tire up, and then there's this piece in there that holds it on. It sits in there like this. You need to pick up on this piece and then turn it vertical, and that's going to allow it to come through the center of the tire. Slip back down there. All right, so that allows that piece to come out, and then you can pull your spare tire out. So that's it. That's everything you'll need to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.